the next day. We on the E-way in the Malibu. Everything's still driving good. We good to go. We will be selling the Malibu today. Got a guy coming to pick it up. So it's gonna be a quick flip. I talked to him yesterday. Actually on my way to I-88 now. Let's go look at another car. But yeah, we good to go, man. As you can see, we ride. Got it cleaned up, got my pictures and everything taken. Posted it online. As y'all see, we ride good. So I'll keep y'all updated on what's going on at this auction. Catch y'all later. Back at IAA, another day, another dollar. Alright, we just cranked this 02 Honda Civic up. Has 80,000 miles. It is a little dirty in here. It's a little dirty. If you look on the outside, we got a little rust right there. Right here. On the hood. Sounds alright though. Right there. And the carpet's kind of dirty. Civic. Let's go ahead and hook our scanner up real quick. See what the scanner says. AC works. Yep. But it got a little muffler noise. The muffler's kind of loud. Let's see what our scanners say. This boy does need a clean though. It's kind of dirty. Not kind of dirty, it is dirty. Alright, see what our scanner says. 2 codes found. That's not good. O2 sensor. And a cylinder 3 misfire. So maybe a coil pack or a spark plug or something. I'm not even gonna mess with this one. I don't really like those misfire codes, even though it may be a simple fix. I don't like the misfire codes, because you never know. You never know. Could be regular fuel injector or something, but you know, it also could be the cylinder as well, mechanical issue with the motor. So I'm not gonna even mess with it. Let's go see if we can find something else. Alright, this Mitsubishi Endeavor cranked up. A service engine soon light. Show y'all around the car while I let the scanner do its thing. Got a police vehicle. Hall, Chicago. Right now I'm in Chicago. Here for the summer. Let's look on the inside. The inside's pretty clean. Yeah, the inside's pretty clean. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Gear 1 incorrect ratio. Output speed sensor. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that's a transmission code. So this is also a car I'm not gonna mess with. Oh yeah, see, when I put it in reverse, it just didn't really even go in reverse. It revved all up, but it didn't go into gear. So this is another bad one. Let's see if we can find something else. Alright, we're looking for 161, which is the red Ford Escape. got? Let's see what we got. Smells like some type of perfume in this bad boy. Oh man, can't find no good cars today. Well, I think I got one more to look at, so let's go find that one. I think that one's all the way over here though. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, last but not least, the Ford Escape. You can already see something in the door. And it is disgusting in here. And it stinks. And the chair is all messed up. But let's just crank it up anyway. If it cranks up. It does crank up. Now watch this be the one without the check engine light. I mean with no codes. The disgusting car. Just walk y'all around it real quick. Squeaking. Tires dry rotted. Yeah, I don't like this one. And what did I tell you? That's the one that has no codes. See that? Well, that's crazy. But we're not gonna mess with this one. We're out of here.